How to delete all photos from WhatsApp group on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can delete all photos from WhatsApp group on Android. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the WhatsApp application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. Once here, tap on three dots at the top right. Now tap on settings. Under settings, scroll down a bit and then select storage in data. Now again, tap on manage storage. Here scroll down and under chat section, you will find all the groups on your account, on your WhatsApp account. From there, you have to choose the group where you want to delete all your photos from. After that, select some specific photos that you wish to download, that you wish to delete. Or if you want to delete all, tap on select all, then tap on trash icon at the top right. After you confirm it, all these images or files will be deleted from this group on your WhatsApp. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.